I have these magic bath crackles right here. They are super fun. I wanted to show you kind of how they work. My boys love these, and they make great Easter basket stuffers or stocking stuffers, a little gift to throw in like a birthday gift, but super, super fun. They're kind of like little soap chips, kind of show you in there what they look like. They're pink and blue. They do not turn the water pink and blue, but I want to show you the sound that they make. So I'm going to dump a little bit into the water. You can hear them kind of snackle and pop, and eventually those will just dissolve in the water. But something different and fun for bath time, if you know of a little one that has like a birthday coming up, or if you need an Easter basket filler, Christmas stocking filler, or just a fun little unique gift, these are super fun and unique for bath time. Highly recommend them.